today I am starting my rolling project 10 pan. I have never panned before. I kind of am, I don't want to say I'm new to makeup, but I'm new to the beauty community. How's that? I just started my channel just a few weeks ago, and I am fascinated by watching people do project panning. I've never panned anything. The only thing I've ever hit pan on is setting powder. So we'll see how things go. But I'd really like to try a project 10 pan. So I decided to do a rolling 10 pan. These are the items. I measured everything. I weighed it to see how much it weighed. My first item is the Too Faced Little Black Book of Bronzers. I love this. When I got this, I was so happy to get this. It has all the bronzers that Too Faced made at that time, and it gave me a really good opportunity to try different bronzers to see what I liked. And when I originally got this, it had 17.5 grams of product in it. Now I've been using it since, I want to say, September of last year. I have found that I really like Milk Chocolate Soleil. For a while I was using Sun Bunny. Not so much anymore. Sun Bunny is right here. I like Endless Summer. I've been using Endless Summer a lot. And I used Beach Bunny for a while. And those are really the four that I really liked the most. And recently I've been doing Endless Summer and going back to Milk Chocolate Soleil. I would like to use it weighed in right now with packaging and everything, 216 grams. So I would like to use 1 gram of product out of this. That's my goal. Next we have the Dose of Colors. This is in Statement. It's a blush. It's really beautiful. I got this sometime last year. I don't remember. I got it during a sale. This comes with 5.1 grams of product. I weighed it this morning. It was 50 grams? 50 grams with packaging and everything. My goal is to use 1 gram of this product. I'm not trying to pan things completely, just more use it up. That's going to be hard because this is very pigmented. Okay, next item is my Winky Luxe Kitten palette. I really love this palette. That's the front of it right there. It has little baby kittens all over it. I love it. It's so cute. It's pink with cats. Obviously, it's totally me. So these are the colors, and I have used this palette so much, and you can really only see a little tiny dip in this color over here and this color down in the bottom over here. But like I said, I've used this entire palette so much, it's surprising to me. Okay, this came with 3.5 grams of product in it. I weighed it this morning. It was 102 grams. So my goal is to use 1 gram of product out of this. Oh, it does have the colors on the back. So Cat Eye and Romeo seem to be the 2 colors that I have the biggest dips in. And today I am wearing Duchess and Cheshire. This color right here and this color right here. Like I said, I wear this palette all the time and it just doesn't look like it. It's kind of messy, but Doesn't look like it's been used as much as it has. Although I haven't had it for very long. I got this in November in a BoxyCharm. Okay, the next item is my Lorac Natural Performance Foundation. I like this foundation. It's not my holy grail. It's not the best foundation I've ever had. It's an airless pump. It's all the way up to here, like right under where it says foundation. It originally came with 1 ounce. I don't know how much is left in it, but it looks like a third, maybe a quarter. It weighs in at 72 grams right now. My goal is to use this up. It has an expiration date of 6 months after you open it, and I'm not sure how long I've had it, but I know we're approaching about 6 months. So I'd like to use this up. Oh, and this is in the shade NP2 Light. It's what I'm wearing right now. I wear it a lot. Okay, next is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I got this in a BoxyCharm in November. I really like this. It does have a little bit of glitter in it, but not that much. And I really like it. So my goal is to use this up completely. You can't see through the packaging or anything. It weighed in at 151 grams. It says it had 4 ounces of product. I've been using it since November, so you can feel that some of it is gone. I don't know how long this is going to take, though. Okay, next is the Physicians Formula powder. This is in the Super CC Plus color correcting care CC powder with an SPF of 30, broad spectrum sunscreen in the color Light. I really like this powder. That's what it looks like. You can see it. I really like it. It originally came with 8.5 grams. When I weighed it in this morning, it was 66 grams in the packaging. My goal is to use this up. This is my Jcat Slide Gel Liner. I really like these liners. I use them almost all the time. If you see me wearing black, that's probably what I'm wearing. It's what I'm wearing today. It's cruelty free, and it says there is a expiration of 24 months. Well, I know that I just opened this, I think, last month. So it has some time on it, but I use these almost every day. It weighed in at 20 grams, and my goal is to use it up. Next, we have the Winky Luxe Brow Pencil in Universal. It's kind of a taupey color. I don't know how much I have. Oh, there's a lot left there. See how much is left? I use this almost every day. I go between this one and my MAC. My MAC has a real fine tip, so it just kind of depends on what I'm doing with my brows. This is really firm. I like that it has like the triangle point on the end because, you know, it's faster, but it's not as precise. But I've been using this for so long, and it just keeps going and going and going. Everything on the outside is starting to wear away, and it just keeps going. Anyways, this weighed in at 9 grams this morning, and I would like to use it up. That's my goal, is to use it up someday. Okay, and we have the Jcat Mattifying Face Primer, Pore Minimizing, Oil Free. Ha! This is no way mattifying. It's just a silicone primer. It's okay. I will not repurchase it, but I'd like to use it up. It came with 0.68 fluid ounces. It weighed in this morning at 20 grams. I would like to use this up, get it over with, get it out of my collection. I don't like it. I mean, it's okay. It's something that I'll use, but it's not something I'll repurchase. And lastly, we have the Tarteist Lip Paint in Get It. I love this formula. This is my favorite liquid lipstick formula. This is probably one of my very favorite colors. I'm not wearing it today, oddly enough, but it's kind of a peachy nude, and I really like it. I'd like to use it up before it goes bad. I've had it open for a while. I don't keep very many lip products open at one time. I think I have 9 or 10 lip products, 10 that are open right now. And I would say I probably am only using about 5 of them. It's kind of a waste to have so many open, but I'd like to use this up before it goes bad. I've had this one open probably the longest, or maybe not quite the longest, but it is getting up there in age. And that weighed in at 19 grams. It's been sitting on its side, but when it's not on its side, it is probably down to where it says Tarte. I mean, I use liquid lipstick every single day, and this is one I use most frequently. I just don't use a lot with liquid lipstick. You really don't need to. So my goal for that is to use it up. So those are my 10 items that I would like to start my rolling tin pan with. And we'll see how it works out. I'll let you know in the future updates. Bye!